What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to be going over the steps of how to replace if you need to swap out the taillights on your Nissan Titan. Let's get to it. Now, first things first, as you can see, this left side taillight is already out. That's because when I got the vehicle, it wasn't in, but the first step is just to take those two screws out from the side, and then you'll be able to pull that taillight out, and then you'll end up with the bulbs here. You can take the bulbs out of their slots. It'll look something like this, and then we can start to remove the harness from the vehicle and get ready to swap in whatever that replacement will be. So as we roll underneath this Titan, we can see up at the top there the entry point for that taillight harness. And as we look a little further down, we're going to notice that this harness is zip tied to the body of the vehicle against some other harnesses here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to clip that out in order to loosen it. And then when we come underneath to the other side, we can see exactly where that harness is clipped into place. So we'll have to release that harness from the clip, and then we'll be able to feed in the new harness after we cut those lines that are holding, we cut those zip ties that are holding the harness in place. So as you can see, after you get the harness in place, add some new zip ties, everything is pretty much ready to rock and roll. You'll plug back in your harness, everything will be nice and tight. Your new taillights or your replacement taillights will be set and ready to go. It's your boy BT. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.